Hi,
for the
teacher.
third lesson. Hello.
Teacher, can we take a revision
Hello.
from yesterday?
Yes, don't worry. But first, I just want to remind all how to sign up for the kangaroo competition. Okay, so as we said before, go to kangarooksa.com and press on the registration. If it's in Arabic, you will see it here. And directly from here, you're going to put your ID number or your email address, the one that's used for Mohiba, and of course your password. And then you are going to follow the steps and sign up for the exam. Please don't forget to sign up. The deadline is on 22 February. Okay, and the exam will be on 17, 18 March. All the information are found here on the site. Okay.
Teacher, can you please repeat how can we enter?
Yes. Simply, you're going to go to Kangaroo KSA, enter for the exam. Yes.
Can I answer Nawar?
Yes, but please, someone asked me how to enter for the exam, you mean?
Yeah.
Yes. First of all, you now have to register, and during the exam, to enter the exam, you're going to enter through Mawhiba. And of course, we're going to send all the information needed, how to enter and how to go for the exam. Don't worry. But don't forget to register now. Now, who have a question concerning all the problems from 1 to 17? Okay, no one have problems, so let's start with 18. I'm going to start with, let me see from here. So, okay, I'm going to start with Khaled.
Bender wants to complete the picture so that each row, each column, and each set of four circles connected by line segments contains four numbers, 1, 2, 3, and 4. What number should he write in the circle containing the question mark?
Okay, so everyone, it's clear. Each set of numbers will contain 1, 2, 3, and 4, and each row, each column will have only one of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4 in each row and each column. So, what ideas, Khalid, you have?
4.
No, not about the answer. I want the ideas how to solve it.
Uh,
So consider yourself in the exam, and what is the first thing you will start thinking of?
I'm not sure.
Don't worry. Stay with us. I'm going to ask Taline.
Yes, mister.
Yes, Taline, can you please help us solving this example
Yes, of
or
course.
this questions? So what is your first step here?
Uh, So in the beginning, as we have, I think, in the blue circles, we have number 1 and 2.
Great.
Let's start with that. And then in the green circles, we have 2 and 3.
Right.
Okay. So we have now, if I'm not wrong, we have numbers for color blue and color green. Now we have left, if I'm not wrong, for orange and yellow.
Okay, so now we don't have anything about orange and yellow.
Yeah.
So we are going to start working where?
I think we're gonna start working with yellow.
Oh, but we have nothing in the yellow.
So let's start with blue, I guess.
Okay. Here you have 1 and here you have 2. So here you're going to have
3, then 4.
or 4 and 3. So I'm going to write 3 and 4 now. Fix it because it will be this one 3 or 4 and this one will be 3 or 4 according to this one. So it doesn't matter, but we know that this row have 3 and 4.
Yes. And then we're gonna go to green.
Okay.
We have 2 and 3, so what's left is 1 and 4.
Okay. So 1, 4, and of course they can change.
Yes. So now let's go to the up. Since we have 1 and 4, we're left to write 2 and 3.
Okay.
Yeah. So 2 and 3.
Our answer will be 2 or 3. So we're going to cross
Our
out.
answer.
Yes.
Oh yes.
Because we said here 2 or 3.
3.
Maybe 3, maybe 2. Till now we don't know.
Oh yes, yes. So then let's go there under 1.
This one? Under the one?
No.
Oh, okay, the orange.
Under the, yeah. Yes. So, what's left there is 2, 3, and 4. But down we already have number 4. So what I'm gonna guess that we have to write 4, 3, 2.
4, 3, 2. Okay, it's right. By the way, let's think about it more. So 1 is here. Here you're going to have 2, 3, and 4. First of all, the 2. We cannot put it here because we have the 2 here. And we cannot put it here because we have the 2.
Yes. So we're gonna write down 2.
The 2 here is fixed.
Yes. And then 3, we have already 3 in the green circles. So we're gonna put 3 in the second one. Yes. And then up 4. So 1, 4, 3, 2.
Okay, so this one is fixed.
Yes. Now let's move on to the down ones. The numbers left is 1.
You just let me fix the 4 here and the 1. Okay, down we have
2, 1 down. So down the down line is finished.
I have 1, yes, 1, 2. Those maybe 3, maybe 4. We don't know which order yet.
I think 4 is correct because the line already.
Okay. By the way, if you can look here before continuing on all the rows, can we put the 2 here?
Already clear.
Can I add it here?
No, it's 2 already is there, so
Yes.
we're gonna add 4, I think. Oh no.
No, we already have the 4. We're going to switch between those two numbers.
Oh yes, yes.
So I'll put the 3 here and the 2 where?
Down. I mean, sorry, the one next to it.
Yes.
Yes.
So let's continue to double check if our answer is right.
Yeah. So I think what is left is 1 and 3. So we're gonna put 1 and then under it 4, and then
Yes.
under Three.
Hello, Mister.
You used 1, 2, 4. Of course, 3 is left.
Oh, here's three. All right. So the missing number is B, which is number 2.
And here 4. So all the conditions are right if 2 is our choice. So right. Our choice is B. Thank you, Talian.
You're welcome.
So who have any question here?
Mister, only now I joined. Can you explain it for me?
Okay, who's talking?
Me. I'm Tamim.
Yes, Tamim. Okay, focus with us, please. So I'm going to erase the numbers that we wrote and I'm going to repeat it. So what we did here is the following. We simply started by what they asked us for. So they told us that each circle will contain a number between 1 and 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And each row, each column have one number. So 1, 2, 3, then 4. Exactly. It cannot be repeated in the same row or in the same column or set of colored circles. So we're talking about green, for example, will have 1, 2, 3, 4. And each row will have 1, 2, 3, 4, and each column will have 1, 2, 3, 4. Nothing will be repeated. Repetition is not allowed here. So we can start with the green, we can start with the blue. Of course, we're not going to start with the yellow circles or the orange circles. Why? Because we have nothing here till now. First of all, we have the 2 and 3, for example, the green. We can put the 1 and 4. So we don't know the order yet, but we know that one
But
of them will
Mister,
have 1.
Mister,
Yes.
Mister, me, I don't know where I put the 1 and the 4.
And me, till now, I don't know. I know nothing till now. So one of them will be 1, one of them will be 4. So maybe here the 1, here the 4, or the inverse, okay? Or here the 4, here the 1. And also, Talian said that 1 and 2 here, so I'm going to say one of them is 3, one of them is 4. Till now, I'm writing those numbers outside because they cannot be fixed. I cannot fix them until I'm 100% sure I will write them inside. So, if here the 1 and 4, let's continue the row. Here will be 2 and 3. So, this one might be 2, this one 3, or this one 3, this one 2. So, I'm going directly to cross out 1 and 4 because, of course, it's not 1, not 4, this circle. It's 2 or 3. And we can also continue here on this row. We will say that one of them is 1 and one of them is 2. Now, to apply the conditions, we will move around all the columns and rows. But what I noticed here is I have 2 in this column. So simply I'm going to say we cannot put the 2 here. We can put only the 3. And because I have 1, 4 here and 3 here, of course, this one will be 2. And to double check our work, let's continue and see if the property works on all the circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4 down. We are done till now, but nothing is arranged till now. I have the 2 here fixed and 3 fixed. 1 and 4 are going to change. The 2 will be here, 3 or 4 here, so I can do nothing till now. The 2, I have 2 here. So this column 1, 2, this column 1, 2, this column 1, 2, and this column, the 2 will be, of course, here. It cannot be in other place because here we have 2, here we have 2, here we have 2, here we don't have a 2, so I can put it here. And if the 2 is here, then the 1 will be here. Also, 1, 2, 3, so of course here is 4. And if the 4 is here, 1 will be here. 1, 2, I want the 3, so the 3 must never be here because it had the same 3 in the row. I'm going to put it here. 1, 2, 3, then here is 4. 2, 3, 4, missing 1. 1, 2, 3, missing 4. And 1, 2, 4, missing 3. And finally, I'm going to put the 4. So all the colors contain 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. All the rows have the same order 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So directly we will say we are 100% sure that B is our choice. Okay?
Yes, okay.
Any questions, guys? Any question?
Is there any easier way to do this?
I'm sorry, but no. By the way, when we started by saying 1 and 4, 3 and 4, so directly we'll say here 1, 2, and here we're going to say 2 and 3. And 2 cannot be here because we have 2 in this column, so 2 will be here. So we can derive it directly from the green circles, and directly we can say it's 2. But we did all of this just to be 100% sure of our work. But it's clear that it's 2. Okay?
Also, when it comes to kangaroo, in the exam you have to spend only 2 minutes to do this.
Yes, of course.
How do you do it fast?
Not only 2 minutes, you have 2 minutes and a half. 3 minutes, in fact. And the questions up, like from 1 to 10, I believe you need 1 minute only to solve them. So each question from those, you need only 1 minute. So like this one, we only tracked using our finger on the screen. Go, 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 and then we were out from B. So you have easy questions, and this one also, tracking. This one, we draw that on the paper, and of course, it will not take you more than 1 minute. So maybe this one needs time because you must try them all. And remember, this one is 4-point problem. That's why it took you more time than the previous ones. And we are going to start with number 19.
Can I answer, Nawal?
Yes, Nawal.
Teacher, before Nawal asks, I have a question.
Yes.
What question did we do exactly today?
Number 18.
And we only did 18 today.
4-point problems, which is medium. Yes, we did only 18.
Oh, I thought I was late.
We did 11 questions the first day because they were easy questions, but now we are going to deal with hard questions, so maybe we're going to finish only 2 or 3 in order everyone to understand. Okay?
Teacher, we took
Yes.
20 minutes to only solve one question.
Yes, because this question is hard, so we need everyone to understand what we did.
Teacher, I came late, so I don't know how it works.
Okay, you can see the recorded, okay? We're not going to lose more time. We need to solve also more, okay? Now,
Layla
Nawal, yes.
has bored of the dogs. weight than integer number of kg. No two of them weigh the same. Their total weight is 6. Second heaviest dog weighs 8 kg. Third heaviest.
Okay, so what are your ideas?
Wait, I'll read it again so I can focus.
Okay, don't worry.
I think when they say that the two dogs weighed 60, I think 30 and 30s.
No. First of all, they told us no, two of them weigh the same. So 4 dogs, each one have his own weight. And the total weight of the 4 dogs is 60 kilograms.
Do we divide?
No, of course not. Look, let's draw them. So I have, and of course, each one weighs something. So I'm going to denote by a small box. This one is small dog. This one heavier and more heavier, and the heaviest one. So the only given we have is how the second heaviest dog weighs 28 kilogram. So the second heaviest, so this one, of course not this one, the second heaviest. This one is 28 kilogram. And the sum of those 4 dogs is 60 kilograms. How heavy is the third heaviest dog? Third heaviest dog means this one, not this one or this one. So, in order to know how to solve it, we are going to try. Simply, just say, so we want to guess like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Choose any number.
6.
Okay, so I'm going to guess this one is here 6. And remember, each dog is different weight. So 28 plus 6 is 34.
It's not
And
correct.
we will try this one, for example, if it's heavier, like 1 kilogram, 29. So 34 plus 29 is 63, which is more than 60. So 6 is not correct.
3.
Let's try the 3. So let me change the color. I will say 3, and this one's 28. This one, let's do it 29. 28, by the way, 28 plus 29 is what? Here is the problem. 28
49.
plus 29.
Is it 49?
7 down, there is 1 up. So 57.
57.
Right. So 57 out of 60.
3.
So there is a 3 left. The 3 must be here. If we try this 3 here, this one must weigh 0 kilogram. But there is nothing in the world or in this universe weight 0 kilogram. Everything have a weight.
I think it's 5.
No,
It's
you
3.
cannot, because those 2
Teacher.
must weigh 3.
It's 2.
So let's
1 and
cross
2.
It's
this.
2.
1 and 2. 1 and
Cross
2.
this.
One
Yes, so if we wrote the 2 here, 28
The one
plus
will
2
be,
is 30, and 29, so 59, and 1 kilogram for the smallest dog.
So the answer
This one will work, so the answer is A. Now, who didn't understand?
I didn't understand.
Dana.
Yes, who's with me?
Me.
Okay, so what we did here is the following. We must try them all, or we can simply go for the logic. The logical way is I have 4 dogs, each one weight different weight than the other, and we arrange them from the smallest to the largest dog. And given that the total weight is 60 of the 4 dogs, and also they told us that this dog weighs 28 kilograms. So how much is the weight of this dog? What we did here is the following. If we don't want to waste our time on trying, we can directly go and say 28. I'm going to add 1 kilogram to say this one is 29. Maybe it's 29, maybe something bigger than 29. We will start with 29. 28 plus 29 is 57. What is left here is only 3 kilograms. So the sum of those 4 dogs will be 60 kilograms. Okay? Because remember,
Now I understand.
this
Thank you.
expression is equal to that. Yes, welcome. And of course, we have 2 dogs. They
Yes,
must
I
weigh
was-
3 kilograms. Yes?
I understand what you're
Great.
saying for me.
So now, till now, no one have any problem here, right?
Yes, now I understand. Thank you.
Welcome. So let's move to number 20, and I'm going.
Can I? Mister, can I? It's Muhammad.
Can I read?
Can I?
Can I do a question, please? I'm Sarah
Can I
Ayman.
read?
Mister, it's me, Muhammad.
No, Muhammad, not now. I need
Can I
Dana
read this?
Yes.
to read for us. Yes, Dana, please, can you read for us the question?
Mayor writes the 7 numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 in the circles in the picture so that the sums of the 3 numbers on each line are equal. What is the largest possible sum of 3 numbers on line that Mayor can get?
Okay, thank you. So, what ideas do you have?
Maybe you can spread the numbers.
Okay, so you want to try. So,
Yes,
how
to
do
put
you
the
want to do
numbers.
it?
Maybe on top we could put the largest numbers, and on the bottom we can put the smallest.
No, remember that the sum of the 3 numbers on each line are equal. So the sum of those 3 numbers is equal to the sum of those 3 numbers and also equal to this sum.
So we have to first plus the numbers.
Okay, but remember, I will give you a small hint. Those 3 lines intersect at a circle. So one of the numbers will be common between all the sums. And they ask you for the largest possible sum. So what number are you going to put here to obtain the largest possible sum?
Maybe
Mister, if you
5.
don't mind, I think I know the answer.
Not 5, of course not. Look, only all of you, I want from you something. Whenever we are dealing with largest, we're going to choose the biggest in order to obtain the largest. So the 9 is the biggest number. So directly we are going to fix the 9. And
Okay.
what will change in each line is the rest 2 circles. But we are fine with it because we have the 6 numbers here left.
Teacher, can I answer?
No, let Dana. So what numbers are you going to put, for example, here, or here, or here? But remember, whatever your choice is, you must always, always, always apply the condition, which is the sum of the 3 numbers on each line are equal.
Mister, can I answer?
No, keep Dana, please.
يعني إيه؟ أنا مش فاهمة السؤال.
Maybe we could put with 9 plus maybe 4 plus 3, it will equal 13. And maybe if we
Okay.
put 9 plus,
By the way, remember, Dana, 13 is not a choice here.
oh,
So I'll give you a small hint in mathematics. If we added those and we divided them by 3, we're going to know what is going to be in each 2 circles, right? We will divide them to get equally what we need in each one. So 8 plus 7 is what?
8 plus 7 equals 15.
15 plus 6,
إذا صح
It will equal
I
21.
can
right? Plus 5,
hear
It
يا
equals
ماما
26.
يعني HEAR.
جانا
so 21 plus 5 is 26, and plus 4
It will equal 30.
and plus 3,
33.
okay, 33 divided by 3. I'm going to distribute it on
11.
3 lines. It will be 11, right? So what we need is 11 in each 2 circles. How to get the 11? 8 plus what equal to 11?
Mr. Jana
Yes.
can't hear you. She wrote in the chat.
As 7
Oh.
plus 4 equals 11.
تقولي عند البنات.
Okay.
Mister, I can't hear.
Who's talking?
Jana.
Yes,
talking.
now you can't hear me?
No, I think no, Mister.
Jana, can you hear us?
Mister, maybe she can't hear us, all of us.
Okay,
Maybe the
so
mic for here it's broken or like this.
No,
yes,
maybe
don't worry.
maybe the headset or something is broken
Yes,
because I can hear you. Everybody can hear you.
Yes,
yes,
Mister.
don't worry. Mash'al, are you with us?
Yes.
Okay, Mash'al. So my question was 8 plus what equal to 11?
8 plus 3, I think. Yes,
Okay.
3.
So we are going to fix the 8 and 3. Give me 2 numbers here between 4 and 7. that their sum is 11?
Two numbers.
Yes.
6 and 5.
Okay. And what's left here?
7 and 4. 7 and 4.
So their sum is what?
The sum is
11.
11. Yes.
So we distributed the same 11 on all the sides. But what is the sum of one line?
Mister, I can't hear.
7 plus 4.
Can you
The top
hear
line
me?
is 7 plus 4 equals 11 plus 19 equals 20.
Plus
And
9.
Plus 9, yes.
Yes,
Equals
I heard
20.
19. Okay, so all of the lines, what is our answer?
11.
No, it's 20.
No, sorry. 20.
The whole line, not only the rest. Okay, so now who have questions?
Will this come in kangaroo?
We don't know, maybe not.
أنا عندي سؤال.
Please English.
Okay, I have a question.
Yes.
So you basically need to get the biggest number, put it in the middle, and get all the numbers from 3 to 8, and add them together and divide them by 3, and then the number that comes is 11, and then put the numbers that are equal to 11 in the boxes.
Yes, that's what we did because we want this condition to be applied, which is 3 numbers on each line are equal.
Can I answer the next question?
Yes, but let's double check if everyone got this question. Everyone understood what we did?
Yes.
Yes.
Can I answer, teacher?
Yes.
I haven't answered today.
Wait, Walid. Walid, remember, we are solving like 3-4 questions only because we are dealing with the hard questions. So that's why we cannot, not everyone can answer. By the way, this question, I want Muhammad to answer it because Muhammad Fawzan is in grade 5 and I want to solve it in a way different than the way of solving it in grade 6. In grade 6, simply we're going to assign unknowns and we are going to solve the equations. We all know how we do that. By grade 5, they don't know yet. So Muhammad, please, can we see how you are going to solve it? Muhammad, are you with us? Muhammad Fawzan?
Teacher, can I answer?
Yes, Muhammad. I want to see how you are going to solve this question.
Okay, some glasses are stacked on top of each other. A stack of 8. Huh?
Yes, a stack. We are not naming.
A stack of 8 glasses is 42 centimeters high, and stack of two glasses is 18 centimeters high. How high is this? Is a stack of 6 glasses?
Okay, so how are you going to think about it?
How we're going to think? We got two numbers, 18 and 42. We need to think how much would 6 be? We can multiply 18 by 2, but we cannot because there is no 36 here.
Okay,
So
but
it's
remember, 18 times 2, you're not saying that I'm going to have 4 glasses above each other. 18 times 2 means I'm going to have 4 glasses. Each 2 glasses are going to be like this. The question is above each other.
Yeah, I'm saying that 2 glasses are 36. So 4 glasses is a lot more. And it's gonna be for me between 40 40 and 34, A and D, because 28, 24, and 22 doesn't make sense at all. It doesn't make sense at all. So my answer is 34.
Okay, so you're just trying to guess, but you are not
I'm
thinking
not
on.
trying to guess. I'm doing it in my mind because I don't have like a pen to do it. So I'm trying to do it in my mind while talking to you.
Okay, let us talk about 42 minus 18. I'm not talking about the answer. I'm talking about
I know.
what
I
does
know.
it represent. Each
So
stack of cups, remember, or glasses, it will be the total of the glass itself, and those stacks will have a different value, right?
okay, so teacher, 42 minus 18, so 42 minus 18, basically 40 minus 16, so maybe like 24, I think.
Okay, but remember, it stands for what?
Stands for what again?
It stands
Twen-
for all of
Stands
this
for 34.
minus,
Stands for 34.
it stands for this, all of this one minus this one, okay? So you are going to remove this glass, and we are going to remove the other one, this glass also. What is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 glasses, but not the whole, not the total of 6 glasses. We're talking about the pieces that I have. This one, this tall only, this part. Okay?
Teacher, 42 minus 18, correct?
42 minus 18 is 24, but it's not our answer.
24 divided by 6
24 divided by 6 is what?
is 4.
Okay, so 4 is what?
Why did we divide by 6?
4
Yes.
is 1.
I will tell you.
4 is the 1 cup.
Teacher, it's 24.
No, of course not. Look, 42
Kabir is
minus
24.
18, 42 minus 18 is equal to 24. But it stands for what? It stands only for the 6 glasses, but not the whole glasses. This part only, the upper part of the 6 glasses. So your friend here divided it by 6 to get that each one have 4 centimeter on the top that will not fit in the cup. Okay?
Okay.
So now simply, we want to find how much the height of one glass is. So the whole height. We can use this one or we can use this one, but
Teacher,
of course,
we can see 4 times 8. It's not inside the multiplication table.
no,
42
no,
is not
no,
inside. Wait, teacher.
no,
Can I
of
say
course not. Look at the small set. I will show you what we are doing using this one. So 4 is for this one, right? This one is 4 centimeter.
Okay.
And the whole thing is 80 centimeter. How much is the total of is the height of the cup?
The height, okay.
The height of one cup, not all of them.
Or
14.
the height.
So 18 minus 4 is 14. So the height of one cup is 14. And this part is 4. So we can try it here before going to our answer. If this one is 14, and I have 7 cups above this one, each one will have only 4 centimeters appearing to it. So 4 times 7 is 28 plus 14, it will be 42, which is right. 8 glasses, 42. And
I
of
did
course,
not understand anything, teacher. ما فهمت شيء.
okay, we will repeat it because it's so
Teacher shows
hard.
the answer 34.
No, he's saying that the
This is
first
answer
class,
34.
the first class is 14, but the rest
Yes.
of the classes are 4 centimeters. So 14, 18, 22,
They are not
26,
in fact 4
24,
centimeters, but what
34.
we will have appearing to us is 4 centimeters because we are putting the glasses above each
Yeah.
other, so only a part of them will appear. So
Teacher,
I
so
will
the
continue
answer is
it and we will
34.
repeat the explanation. 4 centimeters will appear and 14 is for the first glass. So we will say I have 14, the first glass, and I have left 5 glasses to get the total number of 6 glasses. So 5 times 4 for all of that part is 20. And the 14 is, we are going to add them, of course, to get 34, which is D. So I'm going to repeat it because it's a hard question, I know.
I have a question.
صراحة ما
Yes.
فهمتش حاجة.
We do just 18 minus 42.
No, we did it in order to get into all of that work. We started from 42 minus 18.
So teacher, دلوقتي أنا عندي سؤال. Okay. So some glasses are stacked on top of each other. A stack of 8 glasses is 42 centimeters high, and a stack of 2 glasses is 18 centimeters high.
Yes.
How high is a stack of 6 glasses? So if a stack of 8 glasses is 42 centimeter, and two of them on top of each other 18, so just minus 18, minus 40, minus 18 from 42 وهيجيب لك 24. إيه اللي جبنا في 34؟
So if we went for 42 minus 18, I'm not talking about the answer now. Remember, those are 42. I'm going to explain for you before going into all of that work. If we stacked all the glasses above each other, we're going to have the first glass from bottom. You're going to see it's a full glass, right? You can see it clear. But the rest of the glasses are not going to stay complete. You're going to have only a small part appearing from them because the rest of the glass will be inside the glass, right? So
Why is الجلاس كاملة يعني ولا إيه؟
here we're going to see only part of the glass.
Teacher, I think it's half of the original glass.
No, we calculated that it was 4 and the total of the class is 14, so it's not half. Of course, it's not half.
أنت دلوقتي you're not in the answer. إزاي نعرف it's correct يعني؟
Now, look at those. 42 minus 18 is
24.
but not the answer. I don't care about the answer now. We care about what it will represent for us. So all of this minus this. So we're going to take only 2 of them out. 42 minus 18 is equal to 24. So we know that this high is 24. Now we are going to see. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 glasses, and the height of them is 24, but not the whole glass, the one that we can see on the bottom. It's only the part that will appear up on the set. Okay, so when we divided the 24 by the number of the glasses that we have them here, we are going to say that 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. So each one of them is equal to 4.
وهي جوه يعني صح؟
So yes, the one here we can see that only with the part of it that we can see is equal to 4. So this one is 4, this one is also 4, 4, 4, 4, and 4. Now, if we want to see the whole thing, we can use the whole set here or only use the simple one. So this one is easier, of course. We are going to say that this one is only 4 centimeters and the whole thing, the 2 cups will have a height of 18 centimeter. So simply 18 minus 4 is 14. So the tall of the class, the height of the class is 14 centimeters. And if we added another glass, we will have only 4 centimeters that we can see. So we will say if we want the 6 glasses, I'm going to start with the one in the bottom. It will be 14 centimeter. And we will add 5 glasses above it. The height of each one, the part that I will be able to see is simply 4 centimeters. So 4 times 5 glasses is equal to 20 centimeters. And the one on the bottom is 14. So simply, what if the height of all of this system is 20 centimeters plus 14? So 20 plus 14 is 34. So that's why we chose D.
Teacher,
Yes?
I understand the question, but there is just a little point I don't understand.
Okay.
Now the glasses, the stacks of the 6 glasses. How did we know which one is half or which one's full? Like, how did we answer it in general? Just this is my question. I'm getting a little bit confused.
Yes. So what we did here, we were trying to find the part, this part, how much it will have the height. And I want the height of the glass. By subtracting them, I'm going to get rid of this part, right? Because look, you have here 2 glasses confounded. And here we're going to start with the full glass and the rest are confounded. So simply we are going to take the whole glass, the one in the bottom, and one above it, like this example. So after subtracting those 2 heights, we are going to have the height of this one to be 24 centimeter.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
And that's why we divided by 6 to find that each one have a height of 4 centimeters. And then we did it here to say that this one is 4. What is left here to get 18? Of course, 14. So 14 plus 4 is 18, like the given. And so we knew that the height of a glass is 14 centimeter, and the glass that is added on it will appear only 4 centimeter. So 14 plus 5 glasses above it, each one will have 4 centimeters. So 4 times 5 is 20, plus 14 is 34.
Okay, thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Hope everyone understood what we did here. By the way, this question is our first question in the 5-point problems. I know they are hard, but we must always try.
Thank you.
Can I answer?
Yes, well,
Can I answer?
Okay.
I'm going to Walid now.
Teacher, I want to answer.
The
Let's
picture
start with
above,
Walid.
أنت answer me فارس.
the
Just
picture
Farid.
above Each animal represents a positive integer, and different animals represent different integers. The sum of the two integers in each column is written below that column. What is the largest possible sum of the four integers in the first row?
Okay, so clear. We know that each animal have a number, a positive integer, and no animal here have the same number of the second one. And this number is the sum of the two integers. And they want to know what is the highest possible sum or the largest possible sum for this row. So what are your ideas, Walid?
My first idea is probably to, like for example, put them in 50%.
Okay,
Like
but if you did
50.
that, you will do what? Show
But
me.
they're all uneven, so I'm not gonna do 50%. Something close to 50%. Can I say 7.5 or no, or 7?
No, you cannot say because we have 18, 19, 20, 21,
Okay.
22.
So the cow or the pig, I think his value will be 7 or 8.
Okay, so you
Cow.
are guessing.
No, that's
Prefer not guessing. So first of all, if you want the largest sum to be here, you are going to obtain here the smallest sum, right?
yeah, I want to make the biggest sum and the other one.
So let's distribute, for example, what are the smallest four digits?
The smallest 4 digits, there are the digits that are the smallest here are 3, 7, and then 11.
No, not the sum. I'm talking about the digits in
1,
general.
2, 3, 4.
Great. So one of them will be 1, one of them will be 2, one of them will be 3, and the left will be 4. Now, just remember the sum of those two animals is 3. So
Wait,
if the
teacher, I think
chicken
I
is
found
4, the tiger, of course, will never exist because the sum of the tiger and the chicken is 3. So the chicken must be 1 or 2. I'm going to assign it always the smallest number.
teacher, I think I found out a way, but I don't know if it will work very well.
Yes.
You see all the numbers 15, 11, 3, and 7. First, I wanna we add them all together.
Okay. And then we are going to divide them by 2 to get 18.
Yeah.
So in this case, you will understand that the answer must never be less than 18. But all our choices are greater than 18. Remember, you are solving a hard question, 5 points question. So of course, they are not going to give you easy choices.
So we start off with the.
I have a question, teacher.
The chicken is gonna be 1 because we wanna make it the biggest. So the tiger will be 2.
Okay.
Okay, now
So remember, we used the 1 and we used the 2. So we cannot assign 2 for any one of them.
Okay, now the squirrel or whatever the black
Turtle.
Yeah, the turtle. I'm gonna say the turtle 3 and that big 4.
The dog will be 4.
Yeah.
And of course, you're going to continue on the same way because we used the 3, we used the 4. So we're going to use the 5, then 6. Now it's 5 p.m. So we cannot now. We need like 10 minutes to be sure about it. Tomorrow we're going to start with that. Don't worry.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you all.
Bye.
Talk to you tomorrow.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, Mr.
Mr.
In my
Bye
room,
bye.
it's really hot today, so I couldn't like concentrate.
Bye.
Don't worry. Bye-bye.
Bye, Mister.
Bye.
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 Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye.